Okay, now I'm going to drive a bit. So, forgot to check the. We can also check the. Now it's still engineering mode, right? It's engineering mode, so meaning we can fine-tune the resources much better. So what we are doing right now, you can see, is we're having one 720p recording in the Dashcam by an server application. I am using my laptop to pull one RTSP streaming from that Dashcam. Okay, so we can see the CPU loading 21, and again, it's engineering sample, engineering mode. We can make it better when we go to the production mode, right? At the same time, I want to draw your attention. I am actually using the, let me refresh it. Okay, I'm also actually using our Webrtc API to pull a Webrtc strings, meaning the server inside the dash camera is actually performing transcoding test. Okay, so we're performing one channel transcoding task, and again, I like to draw your attention. The CPU loading 21, the RAM 44. Okay, pretty good. All right, guys, do you see that? Yeah, I draw it down a bit like this. All right, I'm going to drive. Drive slowly. Hits me now, they will be surprised there are so many videos being recorded now. Right? Okay, let's do one last run. So again, right now, all the connections I have in my car is via my 4G hotspots. Okay, from my iPhone. So the NX server is using it to upload the live stream. My Mac NX desktop client and the Chrom that are viewing the Webrtc stream, they are also using the same Wi-Fi hotspots to download the video stream. And the NX Cloud is working as mediator, so the streaming is directly between the NX server and the Dashcam to the clients, peer-to-peer. I think there are like 1-2 seconds of latency. I'll check it when I'm parked. But I think that's quite sufficient. Okay. I'm going to park it after this traffic light. Okay, that's it for today for the testing. Let me check real quick. CPU loading still 20 to 22, RAM 40 to 44. Really good. Okay, thank you.